Welcome to the Metas Area Small Business Cash Flow Forecast and Profit Tracker. In this tutorial, we will change setup values, customize categories, enter real transactions, and review every automatic result. Follow the workbook in order: setup, categories and accounts, transaction log, cash flow, profit and loss, monthly summary, forecast, and dashboard. Start on setup. Click the current business name, select the existing text, press delete, and type Harbor and Pine Studio. Press Enter to save the new name. Next, click Target Cash Reserve. Delete 12,000, type 18,000, and press Enter. This target is used by the forecast status and dashboard. Open Categories and Accounts. Click Advertising. Remove the old label and type Digital Ads. Keep category named short and consistent so drop-downs and charts stay clean. Now open Transaction Log and click the first blank row. Enter March 28th. Choose Income. Select Client Payment, Business Checking, and Bank Transfer. Type Website Project, enter 2400, and add final milestone and notes. After the row is complete, the template calculates net amount, month key, year, and cash in automatically. Do not type over these formula columns. Add one expense on the next row. Enter March 29th. Choose Expense, select Software, Business Checking, and Cart. Type Cloud Storage, enter 89, and press Enter. The net amount becomes negative and cash out updates. Open Cash Flow and Profit and Loss. March cash and profit now include the two new records. Cash movement and profit are shown separately, so transfers do not become expenses. Monthly summary combines revenue, expenses, net profit, cash in, cash out, and ending cash. Use this page for a quick month-by-month check. Open Forecast. Replace April expected income with 5,200 and expected expense with 3,100. The expected net and projected ending cash recalculate instantly. To test a risk scenario, change September expected income to 3,500 and expected expense to 25,000. The status changes from safe to below reserve, showing a future cash warning. Finish on dashboard. The new transactions raise total income to 16,540. Total expenses to 4,199, and ending cash to 28,216. Use the same workflow every time. Set up, enter clean rows, review results, and update the forecast before decisions. Your tracker is ready.